Alright everyone, so we spent the last bunch of videos setting up a bat, but we actually did more than that. What we did was we altered the framework in such a way that it's going to be easy to add new monsters now. It's not going to take us nearly as long as it did to add the bat. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to add a third monster. Now at the moment, things are only set up so that one monster is allowed in the game. So it's currently set up for bat, so you get a bat on every level. But I don't want a bat on every level. I want a ghost on the first level, a bat on the second level. On the third level, I want a monster, which I'm going to create in a moment. So later, we're going to have to change it just a little bit to kind of start it cycling through those monsters. But for now, I just want to get 3 monsters on the table so that there's at least an interesting list of monsters, of opponents, for the wizard to face. So let's get started on creating the third monster, the third opponent, which is going to be called the monster. So go to bat, and then just right click or control click and duplicate it. So we got bat 2. I want to change the name of that to monster. So now we've got our new creature. It's a monster, but it looks just like a bat at the moment. Now go to level, and it says define start foe, set current enemy to bat, change that to monster. Okay, so now we should be working with this creature here. Let's start by differentiating it from the bat by changing its appearance. So you're on the monster sprite, go to costumes, and we need to get rid of the bat stuff. So we'll keep the cloud. Actually, we don't even need the cloud for this, but I'm gonna leave it there for if we copy this creature later. We might want the cloud graphics to be there. Why do we not need the cloud? Because I'm actually planning that the monster isn't destructible at all. So hitting it with the lightning will score you a point, and it will cause the monster to kind of stop in its tracks a little bit, but it won't actually kill it. The monster is indestructible. So let's get rid of these. So hit the little trash cans to get rid of the bat graphics, and then come down here and go to the upload costume. And you need to have downloaded some appropriate graphics, which you will find on the website under the appropriate module, if you're following along on the website. Just select all of those, and download them. Okay, from these graphics, you can kind of get an overview of how this monster is going to behave. So when you hit him with the lightning bolt, he's going to like buzz and zap a little bit, and you'll see a skeleton like it's an X-ray. And that'll kind of pause him for a moment, and you'll score a point. But then he'll kind of keep on walking after you. Now we've got the 2 walks together. That's what we want. Okay, so we've got our monster now. The graphics are a little bit different for the monster. We need to just kind of tinker with the code and make it all work. And we'll move on to that in the next video. So I'll see you there. Thank you for listening. And if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.